Guys, let me show you how I made garri for the very first time. This is me after coming out from the farm. This is the amount of cassava I harvested from my farm, guys. So sorry I didn't show you how I peeled the back, the process of peeling the back. So after peeling it and washing it, I put it inside this engine. The man helped me grind it, and here is it. Here is the work. If you want your garri super red, you can add plenty oil. If you want it white, you can choose to leave it like this. If you want it light red, add small oil. So after this process, we now put it back inside the sack bag. Yes, that sack bag. After putting the red oil, you put it back inside sack bag, then put it in another engine like this. This man will use hand to squeeze out the water. This is very hard work. So he will use hand and squeeze out all the water inside the garri like this until it's dry. So when the cassava is dried, we proceed to frying it. So this is the awada we use in frying the garri, guys, and this is my first time. Hey, so this is white garri here. So this mama helped me fry this white garri. Hey, and this is the amount of garri I got from that cassava I showed you guys, you all. I got 2 big buckets of garri with half bag. I have 2 big buckets with half bag. Guys, this thing will last for 6 months. I am super excited. Thanks for watching, you all. Bye. Please subscribe.